see. So pretty. Hey y'all, good morning. I figured I would take y'all on a little day in the life today with me and my two babies. If you're new here, I have a 3-year-old little boy named Oliver and an 8-month-old little girl named Annie Kate, and we are going to tackle lots of stuff today. So we're going to start out the day by taking Annie Kate to her doctor's appointment, and then after that I'm going to take Oliver to Chick-fil-A to play on the play place. We're also going to eat lunch there, and then I have to go to Walmart because I need to pick up groceries for the week. I was gonna place a pickup order last night, but I accidentally fell asleep, and so I missed the pickup time that I wanted. So we're gonna try to take both babies into Walmart today and tackle that. And then today is actually Will and I's 7-year wedding anniversary, and I wanted to make a really yummy dinner. So I'm gonna make some baked spaghetti tonight, and we'll just see where else the day takes us. But I figured I would bring y'all along. I hope y'all like this vlog style video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, but let's go ahead and get this day started. Oh, there's bit of her face. Okay, we just got home from all of our errands. We got Annie Kate to the doctor, and then we took Oliver to Chick-fil-A to play. We ate lunch, and that was really fun. And then we ran to Walmart. We got most of our groceries before Annie Kate lost her mind, and then at the end she was not having it. So we went ahead and wrapped it up. I'm gonna have to place a grocery order and pick it up tomorrow for the rest, but it wasn't very much that we missed. We got quite a bit of it. So we're gonna go ahead and put all of this away. Annie Kate does not have to go back to the doctor until she's a year old, which is so awesome. So we will see that doctor in September. No more doctor's appointments for a while, at least for her. So I'm gonna do a grocery haul real quick of everything we picked up, tell y'all what we're doing for our meal plan this week, and then I'm gonna make a little snack tray for myself, and I wanna share with y'all some of my favorite snacks right now. They're kind of healthy, and it's like the best thing in the middle of the day when I have these snacks in the house. It just puts me in the best moods. We had to do a restock on our drinks. We love Coke Zero and Fresca, so we got some more of those. For meals this week, we got bacon, chicken breasts, and 2 pounds of ground beef. Got some more eggs, some more milk, all the staples. We got a huge thing of this applesauce because Oliver goes through those so fast. Every time he asks for one, he actually eats like 2 or 3 in one sitting. So we just got the big box this time. We've got a box of Kraft mac and cheese because one easy dinner this week is sloppy joes and mac and cheese. We've got our mozzarella. Okay, this is one of the things I want to tell y'all about. So good. This is like the best little snack with a Grillo's pickle in the middle of the day. I don't know what it is, but it's so good. So we got some more of those. We got some of this Cajun style turkey breast. That's one of my favorite lunch meats. And then we've got some romaine to make a salad with our spaghetti tonight. Got some more iced coffee. I love the medium roast Starbucks iced coffee. I've got some of these honey roasted nuts. That's another one of my favorite snacks. We've got some ricotta cheese for our baked spaghetti, some sour cream for a new crock pot recipe that I'm trying this week. I'll share that in just a second. Got some cream cheese for another recipe, some more butter, some more baby wipes. We've got some bananas, some biscuits. I thought it'd be fun to put biscuits with dinner one night instead of rolls, so I grabbed those. I've got some Cosmic Crisp apples back here, some chicken broth for a recipe this week, heavy cream for a recipe, peanut butter. We've got some lip smacking grapes. These are the cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whatever they are. So good in a salad, but also I like to cut them up and put them in eggs, avocado toast. They're really good in the morning, so love having those on hand. We got some more cheese sticks. I love having one of these cheese sticks with a hot Grillo's pickle. It's so good, or any kind of cheese. I like the mozzarella pearls too, but cheese and pickle in the middle of the day, there's something about it. I'm hooked on it right now. I got some Cheddar Bay biscuits for dinner tonight. We're doing baked spaghetti, Cheddar Bay biscuits, and then zucchini. I think I might fry the zucchini, and then I'm also going to fix up a salad. We've got some Fiesta blend cheese because we're going to be doing some loaded nachos this week. Mozzarella cheese for our baked spaghetti tonight. Some thin spaghetti noodles. We've got our Prego sauce because I like to keep it easy. We got lots of Annie Kate snacks. She loves these little mild cheddar Cheetos. These teether crackers. Got her some of these little squeezy packs. Oliver didn't care for these when he was her age, but she does great with them. They are, this one's peach apple oat, and this one is bananas, pineapple, avocado, and granola. She's staring at me. I like to pick these up when they're in a color like this. That way she doesn't like stain her outfit. Some of them are like bright red and blue, and I'm like, we cannot do that. I also picked up this zucchini for tonight. Annie Kate gnawed on it all through the store, so I'm not sure how good it's gonna be. We've got some blueberries, blackberries. This girl loves some blackberries, don't you? Yeah. And then we also got some cream of chicken for a recipe this week, a purple onion, some avocados for both nachos and avocado toast, and then some of these little sweet potato puffs. So I believe that's everything we picked up. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this away, and then I'm gonna make myself a snack plate because I'm hungry. Okay, with Father's Day right around the corner, I wanted to stop and remind y'all about StoryWorth. This is what I'm getting my dad for Father's Day this year. It is the perfect gift for your dad. Dads are so hard to buy for, or at least my dad is. And so this is the easiest and most special gift you can give your dad this Father's Day. It bounds all of their stories, all of their family memories, pictures in a hardcover book that's built to last, and it's a great keepsake for generations to come. So what StoryWorth does is they email your family member, whether it be your dad, your mom, your brother, your sister, whoever you want to give it to. I'm thinking Father's Day because Father's Day is coming up, but you can give it to anybody. But basically they email your family member a question a week for a year, and your family member can either answer by email on storyworth.com, or they can even audibly answer, and then StoryWorth will transcribe their answer and put it in this book. They can insert pictures with captions, and you have all of their special stories stored right here in this book, and it is a great keepsake for generations to come. I am personally obsessed with this idea. I want one of these for both of my parents. I want one for my grandparents. My grandpa actually just passed away. I wish I would have had one for him. He has so many great stories. So, the perfect gift idea for your mom or dad, but Father's Day is coming up. Easiest gift idea ever. No shipping time needed. It's just an email. You just need a year-long StoryWorth subscription. And lucky for y'all, I have $10 off a StoryWorth subscription today and a hardcover book if you click that link in my description box below. Thank you so much to StoryWorth for sponsoring today's video. My dad actually has esophageal cancer, or had esophageal cancer. He just finished up chemo a couple weeks ago, and he is currently cancer-free, praising God for that. But I didn't know that when I started this, and so I wanted to capture all of his stories, get them bound in a hardback book so that I have them for years to come. Get your dad this for Father's Day. He will love it. You will not regret it, and it is money well spent. So thank you so much again to StoryWorth for sponsoring today's video. I hope y'all enjoy this as much as I did. We got all of our groceries put away, and I'm gonna make a snack plate for us. So for mine, I'm gonna do a boiled egg, a cheese stick. I'm gonna do some of these little cheese pearls too, just because I'm in a cheesy mood. I'm just gonna do a few of those. And then I'm gonna do some of these honey roasted almonds. If you haven't seen the snack plate people on TikTok, you need to go find them because it's like the whole algorithm. Oops, I put too many. And then, those are so good, oh goodness. And then I'm just going to add a Grillo's pickle. Yeah. I peeled my egg, and then I almost forgot I was going to add some blueberries. I just need to add some salt to that. Okay, I'm set. Now I'm going to make Annie cakes. Let's do some mozzarella pearls for her too. She's never had these, I don't think, but she loves cheese. I'm going to do a few of those for her. I'm going to do these sweet potato puffs. And then some blueberries. And I'm going to have to go through and smash all those blueberries before I give that to her. You put a mozzarella pearl on your pickle and eat it. Delicious. Those snacks were so good, but I told you I was going to tell you what we're doing for dinners this week. So our meal plan is Monday, baked spaghetti, zucchini. Monday is baked spaghetti, zucchini salad, and then I'm going to do those Cheddar Bay biscuits. Tuesday is crock-pot ranch. Annie, hold on just a second. Crock-pot ranch chicken and potatoes. That's the new crock-pot recipe that I'm going to try. I'll link it down below in case y'all want to try it too. Sloppy Joe's and mac and cheese on Wednesday. Frozen pizza on Thursday. I forgot about that. And then my niece's graduation is on Friday, so we're going to be eating out probably. And then Saturday is loaded nachos, and then Sunday is another eat out day. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on our little weekly planner. What do you want? Okay, I'm back in Annie Kate's room now, and these are the two outfits that I picked up from Walmart today, and I am obsessed. I haven't seen these recently, so I think they just came out, unless it's just my Walmart that's a little bit behind, but this little purple set is so cute. If you know, you know. We love these flowers. It's a purple set with like pink and yellow daisies, little ruffle sleeve, ruffle short. Love it. That's so cute. And then I also found this little yellow set. It's super bright. It's like a neon yellow with a little scrunched up neckline, ruffle sleeves, and then little bloomers. So cute. So I'm so excited to put her in those this summer. Okay, we went by Old Navy this weekend, so I'm going to share these first, but I found some really cute stuff for Annie Kate. I found this cute little ice cream set. I'm going to link all of this stuff down below. I'm not sure if it still is, but we got it 50% off. This little yellow romper with pink daisies, I'm obsessed. It's got a little ruffle sleeve. And then this set is my absolute favorite. I put her in this and put a picture on Instagram the other day. I cannot handle her in this. It's so cute. It fits her perfect. And then I also found this cute little hot dog shirt for Oliver. I thought maybe for Memorial Day weekend he could wear that, and 4th of July and all that. So that's what we picked up from Old Navy. Okay, we're in Annie Kate's closet now, and this is the last thing I'm going to share with y'all today. I have a few outfits that I found that are really cute too from Amazon, so let me know down below if you want another vlog like this, and I'll share some of the cute summer outfits that I found. But anyways, this is the cutest dress that I stumbled on at TJ Maxx. It's oranges and lemons, and it goes all the way to the ankles. It's like a maxi dress with lace detail on the neck. Fits me perfect. I was so excited when I tried it on. And then this is the best part. Annie Kate has a matching one. How stinking cute is that? And this fits her perfect too, so I'm so excited to wear these maybe to church on Sunday, or maybe for like brunch one day. I just think they're so cute for summer. Okay, it's kind of loud in here because I've got the vents on, but I went ahead and started dinner. We've got our sauce here with some ground beef and red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and basil. And then I'm boiling my noodles. We just did the thin spaghetti noodles tonight. And then over here, I've got my flour and my egg, and I'm going to fry up this zucchini. So excited about that. And then we've got our Cheddar Bay biscuits in the oven. They've got about 20 minutes left, and I'm going to put together a salad. We're also going to combine these ingredients and top them with ricotta and mozzarella and bake them, so it'll be more like a baked spaghetti. Okay, we've got our baked spaghetti, fried zucchini, salad, and Cheddar Bay biscuit. Okay, so our electricity just randomly went off. There's like lots of tornadoes and storms going on in Arkansas right now, but there wasn't supposed to be any in our area, so I'm not really sure why our electricity went off, but my house is dark, so I can't really do much more filming in here, but we're gonna go hang out in the backyard. Dinner was delicious. I will leave that recipe down below, but thank y'all so much for hanging out with us today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.